If you have an old pair of Bose QuietComfort 25 laying around, then my guess is that they probably look as shitty as mine. It's quite easy to fix, you just have to use brute force to destroy them. I mean, remove the ear cuffs nicely. As you can see, these are used a lot. The new ones, however, look pretty new and nice. Now, these are actually counterfeit and not the original, and I bought them because they were half the price. When you remove the old ear cuffs, you can see there's some tiny small clips all around the earpiece. Inserting them in theory is pretty easy, you just have to make sure they fit under the clips. Now this can be done by your nails, but if you have something not too sharp like an audio jack, that will really help you press it down. You know what's amazed with me? These actually sounds way better now after the counterfeits, because these originals, well, in this condition, they're really letting a lot of noise coming in. So with these new counterfeits, the audio actually sounds quite nice again. And that's so lovely because these are 20 bucks instead of 200 for a new pair. Now if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. And please hit the bell or subscribe because that will really help out my channel. Check out my other videos out here.